Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to howtoplaythesax.com. My name is Matthew, and here at howtoplaythesax.com we are in the business of playing our saxophones. And let me just say, we like playing saxophones here at How to Play the Sax. And in this very quick saxophone lesson, we are going to learn how to play a new note called F sharp. F sharp is also known as G flat. F sharp, foxtrot sharp, G flat, golf, G for golf, golf flat, foxtrot sharp, golf flat, F sharp, G flat. How do we play it? Stop talking, let's play. All right, F sharp. There are at least 2 and sometimes 3 F sharps and G flats on a saxophone. Now, I say sometimes because the highest one is usually the highest note on a saxophone. Not all saxophones have the key, but we'll get to that in just a sec. So, F sharp, G flat, how do we play it? The low one. Here is the low one. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers on your left hand and your middle finger on your right hand. Middle fingers used for being rude, but also used for playing your F sharp on your saxophone. So, low F sharp sounds like this. Low F sharp. Now, middle F sharp, simply add the register key. So we haven't moved our fingers. We've still got 1, 2, 3. We've still got our middle finger on our right hand, but we've added the thumb, added the register key, added the octave key. Middle F sharp sounds like this. Take the thumb off, low F sharp. Add the thumb register key, middle F sharp. Now, F sharp, the highest F sharp. My alto saxophone does not have a high F sharp key. My tenor saxophone, it does. So just how do you play it? I'll show you. So on the alto, I'll show you where it will be. So on the alto, we have we need to do 1, 2, 3, all 3 of these side keys, plus the thumb, plus the thumb register key. So with our index finger, our left index finger, here on the knuckle and just a little bit above the knuckle, on the inside of your index finger, you are pushing down the top 2, this one and this one. 1 and 2. There we go. We push down those 2 with the inside of your middle finger on your left hand. Inside there, we are pushing down this 3rd one. So 2 there, 1 here. Also, we've got the register key. So this is our high F sharp. Now on my saxophone, we will also add 1, 2, 3. We'll add that one. But here on my saxophone, not usually, on some saxophones there is another key just here. So mine's got this one. All saxophones have this one, but mine doesn't have this one here. Now just quickly on my tenor saxophone, try not to bend it, try not to drop it. You will notice that here on my tenor sax, there's the one that is missing on my alto. So this one here on my tenor sax has this key. My alto saxophone does not. Hang on, put this one back. Your saxophone may or may not have that key. So here on my sax again, I don't have this 2nd key, but if I did on my alto, we would again 1, 2, 3 with the register key, this top one and this key here. I won't play it on my tenor because it'll sound different and it'll be confusing, but that is how you play a high, high, high F sharp. Now again, that is a really difficult note to play, especially on an alto. It is very high, it is easy to break it, it is easy for it to not sound, it's easy for it to sound like a sick and dead duck. That's cool, don't stress. suggestion might be to run up to it rather than just try and hit the high F sharp, the high G flat. Maybe you can run up. If I had it. I don't have it, so it's impossible for me to play on this saxophone. So run up to it. If that helps, keep your mouth fairly tight, but don't squeeze it, don't compress it, don't get all tense with your body, don't get tense with your mouth, don't get tense with your throat. If it helps, raise your eyebrows, that sometimes helps. But there are sometimes three F sharps. There are at least two, sometimes there are three. The high one, if you've got two little keys here, mine's missing on this one, but there's the other one. Yours may or may not have one. That is the high one. The middle F sharp, the middle G flat, 1, 2, 3, middle finger, and the register key. Drop the thumb, keep the fingers, low F sharp, low G flat. And there we have it, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, and all those in between. F sharps, G flats, we love them, go berserk. Play them, we like them. Anyway, that's enough from me. Thank you for visiting howtoplaythesax.com, and I will see you in another lesson. Thank you.